Jerome Brins, Commercial Director at Metro Cash and Carry Serbia. Welcome to FMCG Retail Summit, and thank you for this opportunity to discuss in this exclusive video format made for a conference your perspective on mostly fresh food and fresh offerings within Metro Cash and Carry. Metro is leading wholesaler in Serbia, and we all know that fresh and ultra fresh is very important category for food wholesale business. We see that it becomes even more important. So could you please comment on that?
Yes, thank you for inviting me. Yes, we are wholesaler, and we have one strong wish, which is to be and to remain champion for independent business. And in that perspective, we have three customer segments. We are in B2B business, business to business, and we have many professional customers in front of us. And the three customer segments are HoReCa, traders, and SCOs. So we have a capability to know our customers. We know exactly who is coming to us, and we are curious to know what they want to get from us. And one particularity of this is that one of these customer segments, the HoReCa segment, is expecting a lot from us. They are buying from us some products that they want to transform. And they have the duty to supply their own customers with top fresh raw material products. And this is one particularity from our side where we need to be excellent in this ultra fresh dynamic. This is not only valid for HoReCa, we have so-called SCO customers, which are the services, company, offices, small entrepreneurs. And we have plenty of them who are so-called food lovers. And they are cooking. They are cooking a lot. They like, and I don't know if you cook, but when you cook, you really enjoy to have high quality products because it is impacting the quality of the meal that you are preparing. And I would say that we are quite well known as Metro Cash and Carry. We have this volunteer or this wish to be the best and to show the excellence in ultra fresh. This is why the categories as ultra fresh and fresh are quite important within our business.
Thank you. What are the key values for Metro when it comes to this category?
Thinking about fresh and ultra fresh, there's one common denominator. This is freshness. And there's no compromise here. And this is one of the main difficulties to run such a kind of category. So I would say freshness, quality, localism, availability, differentiation. We need to think about the interest of having, as a group, as an international company, access to some specific products from abroad as well. So this is a wide and deep offer that we can give to our customers. Thinking about quality, we are a German company. We are very strict. We have clear, well-defined specifications. And we are selecting in a proper way. I would say not suppliers, but partners, because we are speaking about partners in this dimension, to find the best, to find the one who are able to stick with clear specification, clear requirement. And by the way, we are working with certification like EFS. And what we want to do on top of that is not only to have a wide and deep assortment, but it's to bring differentiation. And this is where we work quite hard so far today, is that not to have the only common products that we can find within the market, thinking about retailers, but to have on top this specific product fitting with the needs of those professional customers and food lovers. And this is what you get when you come to Metro, because you find some products that you cannot find anywhere else. Freshness is a must. Our difficulty, the particularity of the key values as well, is to supply products with high level of freshness and quality. And this is difficult. Thinking about dry products, you have products they are stabilized, with a long shelf life. You can keep them for quite some time in your shelf, and customers, they can even stock those products. The particularity of ultra fresh is that when you buy those products, you need to use them immediately. And you cannot afford to keep them too long because it is impacting negatively the level of quality, taste of your meal, of your dish. So this is one of the particularities of Ultrafresh. It's difficult to do. It's challenging. And you need to have a proper logistic. You need to have a proper source of products. You need to have shorter goods flow. And not only this, because it's not important to have the product in the shelf or to get them delivered to our customers. It is important to maintain the quality sustainable in time. And we need always to think about our customers having the necessity to have still some time when they are in their premises to transform the product. So it's another challenge because customers who are buying from Metro, they do not consume the product immediately. They keep it in their kitchen, and whenever they use it, it should be on top quality. So these are the particularities and the values on which we pay specific attention in Metro.
That's a challenge, but you're doing a great job.
Thank you.
What do you mean when you say customer needs?
This is another particularity of what we do. We do not put only products in shelf and waiting for customers. We have a process, a methodology, and we are customer-oriented. This is very important for us. We adapt our assortment according to our targeted customer needs. And we have this connection with customers. And what we do is that we want to understand them. And we are connected with them. Thinking about Horeca, Trader, and SEO, we want to hear from them what are their pains and gains. And we are collecting this information. And when we have this information, we are able to be force of proposal. We are able to develop solutions for customers. And we are going, by doing that, making them successful in their own business. So we adapt the assortment, we hear from them, and we change the specifications of our products accordingly. So it is impacting quality, freshness, packaging, the way that we transform products. We try to limit as much as possible the work to be done on products. This is what we call assemblage. And we support our professional customers for that. So the customer needs, it's key for us. And more we get from customers, better we are in terms of offer.
You mentioned localism. Could you say more about local products in Metro offer? That's something that's very interesting for our local producers.
It is very important. This is one ingredient we take seriously into consideration when we are building up our assortment, our offer. I told you before, I said that we are an international company and we get possibility to have plenty of products from outside. But we have one local priority. We want to get as much as possible from the local market. We are acting in Serbia, and this should be for the benefit of the local economy. So thinking about the category managers that we have in place, we have 17 category managers responsible for 17 different categories. All of them are quite expert, knowledgeable. They have great skill of product knowledge. They have a great understanding of what could be supplied from outside, but it is always customer needs satisfaction related. So, first of all, we want to have as much as, I would say, if we could have 100% of our needs supplied from the local market, we would go for it, first of all. This is unfortunately not the case today because there are some products that we cannot buy locally because they are simply not available. And this is the case in Ultrafresh. Just to give you an idea, we have, thinking about all global activity, 65% of our products who are sourced locally. Thinking about Ultrafresh, this is between 70 to 90%, it depends. But let's think about fruit and veg, for example. Oranges, citrus. We are not producing such a kind of fruit here in Serbia. So we have the obligation to get them from outside. This could explain that 100% of our products are not coming from local market. Fish, we have fish products that we do import as well. It's coming from the sea. We have no sea close to us here. So just to give you some example here for the localism, I think we have a responsibility as a company here in Serbia as well, is to privilege this local economic production, let's say. So this is what we do. I'm thinking about sustainability as well, because sometimes we are never very happy to know that our products are spending most of their time in trucks. They are coming far away from us. It's a pity, because it is impacting maybe the freshness, the quality. During the transportation, the products could start to have less quality. And nevertheless, we try to make this logistic as shorter as possible. But this is impacting the cost as well, because logistics cost money. And this is one of our tasks as a wholesaler here in Serbia, is to make sure that we are going to be and to remain competitive for the sake of professional customers. So we need to find the right balance here. So localism is very important, sustainability. I think that we still have some opportunities to develop further the localism. And there's a lot of specific local products with specific qualities in terms of taste. And we are in contact with farmers, with special industries, who have a know-how, a knowledge how to produce this product fitting with the special Serbian taste. Another thing that I would like just to say is that I said we import products, yes, but we develop assortment according to HoReCa needs. And you know that some of our HoReCa are not always producing Serbian gastronomic dish. You have Italian, you have Spanish, you have French, you have some Asiatic restaurants. And we do enjoy, by the way, when we visit them. But they need to get from us specific raw materials. And those specific cheese, and those specific kind of meat, processed meat, I cannot find them here on the local market. This is the reason why I import them. And this is the reason why we have those imported products in our assortment so far. But again, localism is our highest priority so far.